They laughed at the old man, begging to play just one song. And then, the entire hotel froze when his name appeared on every screen. In the glittering lobby of Chicago's Eclipse Hotel, security was already closing in on the old man in dirty boots. Phones were up, recording. Guests were laughing. The concierge, Victor, shouted, "Get this bum out of here before he ruins our reputation!" And then, every giant screen in the lobby suddenly went black. One by one, they flickered back on. A single name appeared in huge white letters across all of them. Elias Thorne. The laughter died instantly. Phones slowly lowered. Victor's smirk vanished. In that frozen moment, no one knew they had just mocked the wrong man. Rewind a few minutes earlier. In the busy lobby of the fancy Eclipse Hotel in Chicago, an old man walked in. His name was Elias Thorne. He was 68 years old. His boots were dirty, his coat was old and worn, and he carried a simple leather bag. He looked like someone with no money. The rich people in the lobby, men in suits, women in expensive coats, were talking loudly, laughing. Elias stopped near the beautiful grand piano. He asked the concierge, "Can I play a short song? Music helps people feel better." The concierge, Victor, looked at him and laughed. He called two other workers, Marcus the bellhop and Lena the waitress. Victor said, "Play here? This is not the street. Our guests pay a lot of money. Go to the soup kitchen down the road." Marcus laughed and added, "Old man, this is not for you." Lena said with fake pity, "Poor thing. Maybe he thinks this is a free place for old people. Call security." People stopped talking. They took out their phones, started recording. Everyone was laughing at Elias. He stood quietly, his eyes full of old pain, but no one noticed. Then, a young worker named Sofia stepped forward. She was only 22, tired from long hours, worried about her sick mother at home. She spoke softly to Elias. "Sir, the lounge is quiet now. I can take you to the piano there. It's free." Victor exploded. "Sofia, help this man and you're fired right now." Elias looked at Sofia with kind eyes. He said quietly, "Thank you, my child." Before security pushed him out, he gently put a small card in her hand. It said, "Tomorrow, 12 o'clock noon, Thorne Tower, penthouse." The next day, Sofia stood outside Thorne Tower, a huge, shiny building. Her heart was beating fast. She needed money for rent and her mother's medicine. She stepped into the elevator to the top floor. When the doors opened, she saw a beautiful office, big windows showing the whole city and Lake Michigan. And there was Elias, but now he wore an expensive suit. He looked strong, important. "Sofia," he said gently, "thank you for coming." She whispered, "Mr. Thorne? You're the man from yesterday?" Elias smiled. "Yes, I am Elias Thorne. I own Thorne Innovations, a very big company. I also own the Eclipse Hotel now. Yesterday, I came dressed like a poor man on purpose. I wanted to see how people treat someone who looks like they have nothing." Sofia's eyes filled with tears. "I'm sorry they were so mean to you." Elias said quietly, "You were the only one who treated me like a real person. That means everything." He took her to a big meeting room. All the important bosses stood up and said together, "Good morning, Chairman Thorne." Sofia finally understood. The man they laughed at was the owner of everything. Then security brought in Victor, Marcus, and Lena. Their faces turned white. They thought they were coming for a reward. Instead, Elias played the video from the hotel cameras. Everyone watched their cruel words, their laughter, again. Elias spoke. "You didn't just insult me. You insulted basic human respect. Victor, you came from a hard childhood too, but you forgot kindness. Marcus, you act tough because you're scared inside. Lena, you once felt the same pain you gave me." He told them the truth. Their mean actions almost ruined a big charity event at the hotel that helps homeless people. One video going viral could destroy millions of dollars in donations. Then came the biggest surprise. Elias showed a photo of his late wife, Clara, standing with a little girl. He said to Sofia, "You are Clara's niece. She helped your family come to America long ago. After she died, I looked for you. Your kindness yesterday, it felt like she came back." Sofia started crying hard. She sat down, shaking. Elias looked at the three workers. "You are not fired. You will now work in our street help program. You will serve the people you laughed at. If you do it well, you can rebuild your lives. If not, you lose everything." To Sofia, he said, "You are now the new director of guest relations at the hotel. We will pay for your nursing school. And here," he gave her keys to a special fund for her mother's care. Because one small act of kindness can change many lives. Victor, Marcus, and Lena left the room changed. Victor promised to be better. Marcus held his phone with a picture of his son. Lena said sorry with tears. Elias stood alone by the window, looking at the city. He had gone from a broken, lonely man to someone who protected the forgotten. The lesson is clear and strong. Never laugh at someone who looks poor or weak. You never know who they really are. And one kind person can start a wave that touches many hearts. In a world that judges too fast, remember, the old man with nothing might carry everything. If this story touched you, share it, because tomorrow it could be you who needs kindness.